Why did they sell it in such a big box? Descriptions on it. Your girl is ready for church. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. Wee. Good job. Okay, let's go. No. Something. Yeah. Yes, so we are at Winnie's Waffle with the boys. Come here, please. Okay, take your fork. All right. Okay, you can eat. It's yummy, yummy. Do you need help?
Mama.
Yes. Let's take. Yummy, yummy. Hi guys. I actually wanted to talk to you guys yesterday, but you guys, I don't even know. Anyway, thank God today has been good. I told you guys in my last vlog that H&M and a lot of stores are doing their summer sales. If you're watching this, still check. I feel like some other stores will still be doing their sales. As I'm speaking right now, H&M is still running their sale. Zara is also running the sale, but I don't know if Zara's one has stopped. Oh yeah, so the sale, Zara sale is still on as well. I just checked their app, so you might still check, you might still see some people will still be running their summer sale. But yeah, I got a big, well, it wasn't so much of a big, but I feel like when I saw the package, I was thinking, why did they sell it in such a big box? But yeah, so I got some things from H&M for everyone in the family. Actually, I usually don't like buying things for, like, if I want to buy something for myself, I like to buy something for, if I go out to shop, for example, I don't like coming back with just something for me. I like coming back with, even if it's one thing also, especially for my husband, because we usually tend to forget ourselves. So with the kids is, for the kids is almost like a clockwork. Once you enter a store, you're like, oh, what can I get for my kids? But over the years, I've also tried to make a mental note to always buy something for my husband, no matter how small, even if it's just a t-shirt. If I go shopping for the kids, I'm going to come back with something for my husband. So anyway, I said that to say everything in this box is for everyone in this house. But let me show you some of the other things I got from, I think it was Temu. So this is my iPad. And this is my iPad case, you guys, is broken. But this case has served time, you guys. So I feel like it's a good time to replace the case. So that's what I want to do right now. This is what the current case looks like. I'm going to throw it away because it's gone. So I got this case. I actually didn't want, I wanted to just buy a case now and then much later look for something. But I got this case that says, for we walk by faith and not by sight. There was this really beautiful one I saw. This woman is loved by God and something, but then the G was in small letter. My God has a big G, and then the Bible passage that they wrote on that thing is, they wrote A Corinthians. I'm thinking, what is A Corinthians? So, but it was really nice, like really nice, my vibe, but I didn't get it because of that. So I got this. I'm still going to shop for more iPad cases. Yeah, this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to slot that into it. Yeah, that would be it. I also made sure that I bought one that had what's it called, a case, a pencil slot, because I have an, is it, I what was that thing called, that iPad pencil, I have it. So this also has the pencil case. Yeah, but yeah, my iPad now has a new case and I'm so happy, super delighted. I'm going to also change the screen protector as well, so that everything is new and nice. But yeah, so that's that. I also bought a phone case, another phone pouch. I don't know if I showed you my new, the other, this is the phone pouch. I changed my phone case to this. I really like this case and I'm considering even buying more colors. But then I then bought another case. Oh, this one has inscriptions there. So I got another case that has like inscriptions on it. It says, God has already handled what you are worrying about. You are loved beyond measure. You are going to make it. Trust me. And it has like Bible passages on it. We have Ephesians 3:19, Jeremiah 29:11, fearfully and wonderfully made, Psalm 139 verse 14. Focus on me, not the storm. This case is actually very apt right now with what is happening in my life. But yeah, I'm so happy. I like it. So I'm going to, like, I can swap as I wish. The only thing I don't like about this case is that the camera slot is open, unlike this one that the camera slot is closed. So if it scratches, it's the case that is scratching, not the camera. You get. I got this straw cleaners for the cups that I showed you guys in my last vlog, so I can clean them properly and all that. But yeah, that's that. Let's go to the H&M on that. Okay. Ta-da! I told you it's not that much. I don't know why they decided to. Oh, I love this bag. The first thing out of the box. So my husband see me opening it, but yeah, I really love this bag. It's like a men's bag. I really like it. But yeah, so I got this for my husband. Okay, I got tight for myself. I got summer hats, bucket hats for my second son. Is a knit dress. To think that I almost didn't want to pick this dress, but it's midi. I don't really like midi dresses. But yeah, it's an off-shoulder dress. Yeah, it's an off-shoulder dress. And this is a trouser that I got for my son. Okay, feels good. It's like a linen trouser, linen pants. Oh, okay. So I bought this coffee pants for myself. It looks long enough. I got these shoes as well. They are what's in right now, but I actually do like them. Yeah, but I bought it in cream. But this is 40. This 40 looks big. Oh. Ew. Ew, one me. Let me try. There's space in front. You guys, it's big. So I think I have to return it. Yeah, I wear 40, but this 40 looks like a 41. If it's still available, then I'll exchange it. If it's not, then that's it then. That's it. Because, yeah, this one is a top. This is what it looks like. This is an oversized shirt. I've always wanted to have an oversized shirt. Now I need to think of how to style this oversized shirt, but this is what it looks like on me. Okay, this is a knit dress. I actually like it, but I have to, it's see-through. I have to wear something inside. So I really like detail. I like the knit. I like the mesh here as well. Yeah, I'm just trying out like new ways to, you know, style things. Like this one, I feel like I can wear a shirt inside and it will look good, but we'll see how it goes. I bought this top. I like it. Yeah, it's this whatever bishop neck or bishop collar top. It's just a simple top. I usually buy my basic top from H&M, like my t-shirt. I buy most of them from H&M. This is a pants. This is color cream, and yeah, really like it. I do like it. I like it. So yeah, I like everything that I bought. That's about it for the unboxing. I'll catch you guys later. Hi guys, good morning. Currently rocking my 1 year old's sunshades because he has asked me to wear it. My 1 year old is here trying to get this mic from me. But yeah, so I'm on my way out, as you can tell. I have like a brunch date with my friend. Yeah, how have you guys been? I hope you guys are fine. My friend has asked us to try this Asian buffet place, I think. So I'm headed there now. I just wanted to talk to you guys before I go. I washed my hair, losing my hair yesterday as well in the evening, and then I washed it this morning. I was having my bath. I didn't do my normal hair care routine. I just washed it and conditioned it, and I also did not want to blow dry it. So I'm leaving it out for it to dry, and then much later maybe I will straighten it. But yeah, I wanted to dry it today. But yeah, so I styled it this way. It's almost dry though. Funny enough, can you imagine? But yeah, that's what my hair looks like. It's cut as well, but moving on. So, and then I'll think of, I don't know what I will do. I'll make up my hair for the remaining part of summer, but we'll see. If not, I'll just wig it. But I don't want to wig until autumn. And I don't want to leave my hair out for long. And this is the outfit of the day. Okay. I'm wearing this denim jacket and this dress. But yeah, let's go, you guys. Yeah,
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right.
so this was what I got, you guys. I got chicken, a little bit of chicken, sushi. Okay, I asked I try out this sushi, but thankfully it's not raw sushi. I hope you guys can hear me, Sha. It's not raw sushi. It's cooked sushi. It's cooked sushi. That's so extra. And they were having Caesar salad. I took a bit of pasta and the chicken. Yeah. I was telling Roke that I'm afraid that let's not be too much because I'm not the best when it comes to buffet. And Roke also she's having like chicken, Caesar salad, almost the same thing except pasta. Yeah. But yeah, that's what we're having today. This place the ambience is really nice. I can't really film the area because the place is packed. We are so surprised. In fact, Roke was surprised that it's so packed on a weekday. But yeah, this is packed. And but the place is really nice. It's cozy. Yeah. I tried to film something, but because of people's faces, I can't really go into detail. But yeah, let's see. Let's taste. I'll tell this is a salad. It's actually very tasty. It's not bland.
It's because of you I'm making happy because I usually have the other one with the beef. That's the one I have.
And we can try that one if there's still space. But we took little of everything. You guys know how you eat buffet now. You take little so you can taste almost everything. But it's very tasty. It's not bland.
It's not bad. It doesn't feel like I'm just eating leaves. There's a bit of taste and savory to it. I don't know what.
I asked me that can I take home to my kids? So they will come.
I remember the first time I was here. That's not the one I came with, but I don't come alone. I came with a placard, a big one. You pay fine if you don't finish your meal. Are
you serious?
I said they might be the budget. Did the budget? Did the budget?
Can you imagine? But it makes sense actually.
Because how will we take what you come for?
And let people not just come and be wasting food.
Yeah. What times have been here?
Just so we day. We are done now.
Toyosu.
Toyosu.
He said it's not pronounced like that, but it's Toyosu.
Toyosu.
I'm sorry, I'm always confusing listeners.
You guys were done. It was nice.
It was nice.
I filled up. I need to go and use it.
And sleepy.
But yeah.
And we didn't eat too much. Before people thinking, Tifo what's it up? No.
Yes, we just went twice.
We're decent with it, yes.
Yeah.
But next time we will not be.
We want to go to chicken amakusha. A store that they sell like chicken farms,
everything,
seafood, all sorts. Yeah. Maybe I need to get some. I should get. I think I want to get two because we are out of chicken wings at home, and I really like having for fries, days for fries and stuff. Yeah. Anyway, come with us. I've done that one, but I want to be doing that. So I want to buy it.
Oh, who am I going to nick out?
If it's here, you know, to Facebook. I watched one lady's vlog and she was saying that she went to
plan.
Is that with your
I know I'm holding the best of me out of my hand. I know you always understand. Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a waterfall.
guys? So we are at we came to the beach. There's a hangout. Is it hangout we call it? One of the caterers that we have in Tallinn is having like a food fest. So we're here with
Hi guys.
I'm not sure she can see, but you guys can see her. That's what's important. So, but yeah, we're here. Let's see what we get up to. Excited, but yeah, let's see. I don't bring her for you, see? You see, I do my work.
That's our own thing.
Tolu of Tallinn. She wore her glasses today.
I want glasses today. How are you?
No, ask of you. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Mama.
Let's believe that I will do my own cover.
Bring me into
Sit cover here.
golden sunlight.
I know be small something, no.
If I'm going with
The family
you, I know we'll get to the
of Tallinn. Of Tallinn. The only one boy is supplier. Every other one is fake.
feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving
Yeah.
through me like a wildfire. Like a wildfire.
Just this one is fine.
Yes.
Okay, so just this.
When I come back, I'll blow the bubbles.
No, we have bubbles at home. We play bubbles at home, okay?
Are they bubbles here?
Yes, but it's for sale. You want one? Please, can you add this for me? Sorry. Oh, I see. Okay, no, thank you. Hi guys, good morning. Okay, so your girl is ready for church. Today is Sunday. I couldn't really vlog yesterday, you guys. Yeah, but it was really fun. Like the Boli Fest, guys. It's really, yeah, the Boli Fest was really fun. Yeah, it was good to meet like other people, chat, yeah, and the boys had fun. But yeah, it was nice. It was a nice hangout. It was nice. Today is Sunday, and here is the outfit of the day. I hope you guys can see me though. Yeah, I'm wearing this suit dress by St. Agnes, and I paired it with. I'll try to see if I can show you like a proper OOTD when I get maybe in church. I can't do it downstairs. I'm wearing this sandal from Zara, and I'm carrying this bag. So it's a white bag, but it has this. It could pass for brown. It could pass for a shade of grey, a shade of green. Sorry, like this shade that is on the dress. Yeah. So I wanted to take a purse that would match my shoes, but I thought this bag was better. It was white, and the shade of pattern that is on it matches my shoes. So yeah, and the bag is from Aldo. Yeah, that's it. My earrings I bought a really long time ago. My hair, yeah, my hair came out to play. It's going to come out to play for a bit, and then I'll take it back in. But yeah, that's the outfit for today, you guys. Yeah, as we always say, we can't get late to church, so let's go to church.